Hey guys! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and watch this video. This will help you a lot in order you to understand everything in mathematics. So up now, mostly our problem for today is statistics and probability. Reminders, my subscriber, especially for the new one. Don't forget to subscribe and click the red bell button in order you to notify everything in mathematics. My YouTube name is Math Academic Knowledge. Everything you want to see, especially the math problem, applicable in college entrance tests, engineering board exam, math teacher's major, UP-CAT, PUP-CET, ACET, DOST, and Student Achievement Test. And we have also the Basic 1. Basic 1 is also good for the civil service and sometimes is also applicable in Student Achievement Test and College Entrance Test. The difference between math problem and basic mathematics. Basic mathematics, it's more on percentage, fraction, numerical analogy. Basic math when you are in grade 1 up to high school. While the math problems, it is applicable for all engineering students as well as the lead math major. And if you want to become also a Philippine Military Academy, you can also use these math problems. My math problems has an 18 video. So, it is randomly selected different question from different previous board exam. While the other one, I have a subject regarding with the statistics probability, geometry, trigonometry, as well as analytic geometry. Please subscribe my channel and watch all this video in order you to recall everything in mathematics. Thank you very much. Okay guys, let's proceed for number 1, statistic probability. So problem number 1, what are the class mark in the given data 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34. So when we speak about class mark, this refers to the middle of these 20 and 24. So if we have 20 and 24, so you don't have to solve it 20, 21, 23, 24, or 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what will be the center? 21, 22, 23, 24. So the center will be 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So again, so the center will be 27. And then 20, 30. So we have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So, the class mark in the given data will be 22, 27, and 32. So, the best answer is letter A. This is the best answer, letter A. Okay, solve for the summation, and there is 7 and x is equals to 3. So, how do we solve for this 2x minus 1? So, take note that this is 2x minus 1 and there is no parenthesis here. So, it means to say, we will start, if this is 3, so 2x times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 5 plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 7. So, we need to have a close parenthesis for here. and then minus 1. Take note, ah. So, 2 times 3. So, we will start from the 3. 2 times 4. 2 times 5. 2 times 6. 2 times 7. Because the last part will be 7. And again, if we will get this one, so 2 times 3 will become 6. Plus 8. Plus 10. Plus 12. Plus 14. And then open and close parentheses minus 1. So 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. And then minus 1. The answer is 49. So the best answer is letter C. So letter D is not A, B, C. The answer is letter C. Take note, guys, look at, there is no parenthesis here. How about number 3? Let's proceed for number 3. Z greater than 2.5. By the way, what is Z? Z is what you call the standard score. Z, mostly the symbol, is what you call the standard score or the Z-score. So what is a Z-score? Mostly, Z-score is always represent a normal curve. So it means to say, if this is our 0, positive 1, positive 2, and then positive 3. So we have negative 1, negative 2, and then negative 3. So it means to say, if this is greater than, it means to say, this is going to the right or mostly in the positive. So if we will draw this one, this is the part of the 2.5. So this is 2.5 and we will shade this one. So the answer is letter A. The value of Z-score is going to positive because it has no negative sign. So greater than, you will shade this one on the red one, and that is what you call the positive. So Z-score is mostly used in the normal distribution in order to get the value of the Z-score. Okay, let's proceed for number 4. Okay, number 4, solve for the summation, which is raised to 7, not raised, 7, then x is equals to 3. Open and close parentheses, 2x minus 1. How do we solve for that? Actually, we have a previous problem that 2x minus 1 also starts with a 7, ends in 7 and starts with a 3. So take note. So how do we solve for this one? It has a parenthesis. So it means to say, we will start 2 times 3 minus 1. Last, followed by 2 times 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 5 minus 1. So let's have a close parenthesis for this one. Plus 2 times 5, 6 minus 1. And then plus 2 times 7 minus 1. Take note, guys, if this is our parenthesis, we will start from the 3. So 2 times 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 3, or sorry, this is 4. 2 times 4 minus 1. 2 times 5 minus 1. Plus 2 times 6 minus 1. Plus 2 times 7 minus 1. So that will be the sequence. So again, if we will multiply 2 times 3, this will become 6. 6 minus 1 will become 5, right? 2 times 4 will become 8. And then 8 minus 1 will become 7. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 1 will become 9. 2 times 6 will become 12. 12 minus 1 will become 11. 2 times 7, sorry, this is plus, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 1 will become 13. So, 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13, the answer is 45. Okay, guys, take note. Don't be confused on this one. How do we solve this summation? So, 2, we will start from the 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and ends in 7. 2 times 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 4 minus 1. 2 times 5 minus 1 plus 2 times 6 minus 1 up to 2 times 7 minus 1. So, we will add 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 is equals to 45. So, that will be number 4. Okay, what is the value of the normal curve? So, this is the part of statistics and probability for inferential statistics. So, when we speak about the normal curve, it is what you call the bell-shaped curve. So, this one, we have the x and y axis. And we will draw, this is 0, positive 1, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So, negative 1, negative 2, and then negative 3. So, this is what you call the bell-shaped curve. Take note, this is symmetrical, so it means to say this is 0.50 and the other one is also 0.50. The half of this one is 0.50, so 0.50 plus 0.50, 0, this is 10, and automatically this is a total of 1. Take note, this is a total of 1. So, the value of a normal curve is always equal to 1. And sometimes, in a percentage of the area of the curve, we will use as 100%. Okay. So, next, let's go proceed for number 6. Let's proceed for number 6. What is the weighted mean if my x will be 2 and 4 and our frequency will be 5 and 7? So, what will you do? 2 times 5 plus 4 times 7. 2 times 5 will become 10. And then, 4 times 7 will become 28. And if we will add that is, the answer is 38. So, that will be the only in getting the weighted mean. So, 2 times 5 plus 4 times 7 will be 28. So, 10 plus 28 will become 38. Well, so, let's proceed for number 7. Okay, what is HA mean? So, these are the symbol of the statistics. HA means the alternative hypothesis. Take note, HA is the symbol for alternative hypothesis. And then null hypothesis is the HO. Sometimes they are saying that is an H1. So, HO will be null hypothesis. And then, summation C will be summation. This is the sum. We have the symbol for this one. So, if we will add something like 2 plus 3 plus 4, that will be the symbol of. And then, level of significance is always used as a 1 minus the alpha. That is the level of significance. So, level of significance are 0.05. There are 3, 0.05, 0.02, and so on. So, that will be the level of significance. So, what is 1 in level of significance? 1 means 100. So, if we will subtract 100 minus 0.05, the answer is 95%, right? And if we will subtract 1 minus 0.02, the answer is 98%. So, 95% are the level of confidence, while level of significance, 1 minus the alpha. Okay, for number 8, I repeat that the HO is a null hypothesis. So, for HA is alternative hypothesis, summation, and the level of significance is always 1 minus 100. So, the best answer for number 8 is letter B. Null hypothesis is a symbol of HO. Okay, let's proceed for number 9. What is other term for empirical rule? A, 68, 95, and 99.7. B, 68, 96, and 99. C, 68, 96, and 99.5. D, none of the above. So, when we speak about empirical rule, take note guys, you will use the normal curve again. 0, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, it means to say, when we speak about 68, 68% always lies in the positive 1 and then negative 1. Take note. So, it means to say, in this part, this is what you call the 68%. And 95 always belong to positive 2 and then negative 2. Sorry, negative 2. So, it means to say, this will become the 95%. And 99.7 belongs to positive 3 and then negative 3. So, it means to say, if we will have this one, let's have the red one. To this area is what you call the 99.7. Take note, So, empirical rule is what you call the 68, 95, and 99.7 by the Gaussian method. So, that is another term for empirical rule. Number 10, what is the lower class boundary and upper class boundary of 16 up to 20? So, when we speak about lower class boundary and upper class, 16 will be the lower limit and 20 will be the upper limit. So, lower class boundary is always subtracted by 0.5. So, 16 minus 0.5 will be 15.5. And then 20, you will add 0.5. So, if you will add 20 plus 0.5, the answer is 20.5. So, the best answer is letter A. Take note guys, letter A.